Hey y'all.
What's the name of this stuff?
Indian food.
No, but what's this?
Okay, this is butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
That's garlic naan. We ate the cheese naan because he took forever.
Y'all real nasty.
Okay, that's tikka masala.
Tikka masala.
And that's chicken biryani.
What is it?
And then this is mango lassi. You gotta try this. Try it. Try it. Riri said he didn't want to try it because it smells like yogurt. But it's like a mango smoothie to me. Oh yeah, it's good. So yeah, this is our family day. My brother got us some Indian food.
We love us today.
He said he not ordering for the next month. He lying.
Year.
No, month. February is around the corner, sir. But we get what you still didn't eat yet. What you rate it out of 10, Ray, for Indian food?
The naan with the sauce, with the butter chicken and masala. 9 out of 10.
Okay, butter chicken, 9 out of 10.
That chicken masala, that chicken biryani. I don't know about that.
The chicken burn.
That is chicken biryani.
I don't know, whatever the name. Biryani or biryani?
Well, I thought you were trying to be funny.
Oh, because your name Brianna. Yeah. Poppy, you want to try it?
Shout out to sugar daddy over there.
So, the cheese naan is really good. The naan, I almost ate it because homegirl was taking forever to come eat, but Poppy, you don't want to try the bread? Try the bread. It takes. What do you want to do? TikTok?
Yeah. Go get you. Where Tiara the phone at?
Over there.
Go use Tiara's phone.
How do you know if you were sleeping?
Okay. Hey y'all. So we ate the Indian food and CJ is spending the night. So I'm gonna be the single mom for tonight. Single mom of 2.
And
Oh, there goes CJ.
and it's just me and then my little cousin. She's just playing around.
You didn't introduce yourself. What's that? It's your boy.
CJ.
So I'm about to get prepared for bath time and all that good stuff. So I've already washed the dishes. The kitchen is closed, okay? Closed. This stuff just has to dry, but I put that over there. I had to clean the air fryer. Y'all, the air fryer was so dirty. You probably can't see, but it's much better. But I'm about to get everything situated. I'm sleepy, but y'all, I made some juice. I batched juice today. I didn't vlog it, but I made this. I made another juice. This is pineapple juice. And another juice is in there. So I already have a bottle already made. So I'm about to put that in there. I need to pick out my clothes. I got the kids' stuff ready, but I ain't get my stuff ready. So I'm gonna get that prepped. Put the bottle on. Disinfect the phones and all that stuff. And after they take a bath, once we all take a bath, I'm gonna stay up and edit. There's a video I think I need to edit. I think so, yeah. So I'm going to do that. And it's 8:17, so let's see how long it takes for all of us to take a bath. So I'll be back.
Hi, guys.
All right, so it is now 8:49. I'm sleepy. So I'm gonna let them chill. I'm gonna let Poppy chill on his iPad. Malia drinking her bottle, and I'm gonna turn the lights off in a little bit. I'll let you stay on your iPad like 15 more minutes, okay? And then I'm about to get ready to edit. I edit on my phone, so I need to download what I need to download. So by the time they fall asleep, I need to start editing. Whew, I'm sleepy. I don't know. That Indian food definitely knocked me out. But yeah, I want to get back into working out tomorrow. That's why I made juice. I need to make green seasoning tomorrow. And I need to put up those clothes. Laundry is never ending, y'all. But I'm gonna wait till they fall asleep, and then maybe I'll pick up the camera if I remember. But having 2 kids alone, I mean, I'm only doing the nighttime routine, so it's like I don't know what it's like day to day, but like this is like the 2nd or 3rd time he spent the night, and it's not as bad because he's older. So it's a little bit easier. Like with Malia, I gotta, you know, huh? What you said? Look at your face. You finished?
Done.
All done. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, look at that milk you got. Oh, excuse me. Say excuse me. Let me see. But yeah, I was saying, Malia, I have to bathe. I have to bathe her and put her clothes on and all that stuff. Get her bottle ready. But him, he's older. He a big boy.
Yeah, my daddy said my birthday coming up is coming soon.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The end of the year. Your birthday just passed. But I'm saying, like, he's older, so he can kind of, like, he can bathe himself, put on his own clothes, you know, so it's a little different. Hey, you're gonna fall. Get back.
Yes, I'm just want to chill.
So, yeah, it's not as bad. And I always say I'm one and done, but I don't know, maybe if I'm financially in a better position in the future, well, when I am gonna be, because this is not it. But I don't know, I think I'm changing my mind on having another kid in the future, just because I see how she is with CJ and she loves having him around. And then when I get older, she won't have to take care of me by myself. So but just also for her, like her having somebody else in her life, I can see how much interaction she gets, because when she at school, she's so to herself. So I don't know, but 2 kids, nighttime routine, you definitely gotta be prepped. I already had the bottle prep. I took their night clothes out, got the clothes ready for in the morning, so it's not that bad. It's just being on the go, and I wasn't on my phone this whole time, like, so it's definitely a little bit challenging, but I'm learning. Every time he comes over, I get better at what I need to do to make sure we in bed by 9 or before 9. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm rambling, but that's what I wanted to say. But I'll be back. Okay, so y'all, it is the next day and I dropped my daughter to school. It is 9:48. So I have a couple more hours to myself. I went to the gym, y'all. Don't mind those rugs, I left them out to dry. I went to the gym. I did a 30-minute workout. I haven't worked out in almost a week and a half, and that ain't good. So I'm just gonna cool off for a little bit, and then I'm going to make me an acai bowl. I also need to make green seasoning too, but I'm just going to chill out here for like 5 minutes. I'll just meditate for like 5 minutes. And then I'm going to make me an acai bowl, and I need to drink a lot of water today, a lot of water. So I am about to meditate for a little bit, and then I'll be back when I make my acai bowl.
Put it in drive, I'll be up. promising. I got the slip, so you know it's not raining here. Oh, if you wanna do, worry about your friends. It's all you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. Put it in drive. I'll be outside. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can beat me in 5. I'll be your 9. I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Put it in drive. I'll be outside. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can beat me in 5. I'll be your 9. I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Yeah, yeah. It's the type of
It's crazy. The light look good. Well, I guess because I'm facing the light, the natural light. But I got my acai bowl. I put a lot of chia seeds because I need to go. So that's just how I need to make it. I forgot blueberries, but it is what it is. So better than nothing, honey. Oh, it's cold. It is so cold, but it's good though. Daddy goes to work, so I need to cook early. I'm trying to edit this TikTok and then cook after. But yeah, if you don't follow me on TikTok, the link is in the description. Yeah, go follow me on TikTok if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm about to do that, and I will see y'all later. I tore it up. So now I'm about to make some green seasoning.
Yeah.
I'm about to make some green seasoning. If you guys don't know what that is, it's seasoning with a whole bunch of herbs in it. But when I tell y'all it is the bomb, it's the bomb. I'm actually going to record it for TikTok, but I also have it on my YouTube channel. I'll put the card here. But it's really simple to make, but I'm gonna show y'all everything. Excuse the washer and dryer. So I'm just gonna rinse everything. Follow him on TikTok or just go watch the whole YouTube video, because the washing machine is washing, he's washing clothes. Thank you again for doing the laundry. So but yeah, he is doing the laundry and I'm gonna do this stuff because I gotta leave in 2 hours to go pick up our daughter. So, and I gotta cook dinner. So yeah, I'll be back. No, we just left Publix. I ain't grocery shopping at Publix like that no more. So I only came in here to get these sodas. I seen it on TikTok. So this one supposedly looks tastes like the Dr. Pepper. It's called Doc Pop. Yes, baby. So it's the poppy soda. It's a prebiotic soda. And y'all, it's only 25 calories. If I like it, I'll drink this more often, because when I drink soda, when I get a taste for a soda, at least I ain't drinking all those calories and when I have cravings for a soda. So when I get home, I'm gonna try it. We made it back home. I decided to clean. Oh, it's not focused. I decided to clean up first, which clean, I mean the kitchen, so that I don't have to do it later. The only thing I'll have to do is put up all those. Look at Malaya. Malaya is never too far. All I gotta do is put up those dishes. It's a lot, but I was like, I figured I'd just clean the dishes and then I'll put the dishes up later, so it could be just less on me. and I don't have to go back in the kitchen today to cook anything. Malia already ate. If anything, she'll have a snack, but that won't be nothing that requires dishes. Daddy-o had to go to work, so he didn't get to finish laundry, so all I gotta do is put the clothes in the dryer. So, and then I'm just gonna chill. Oh, before my battery died, I'm supposed to try the soda. I had put it in the fridge, so let me try it. I'm gonna also record for TikTok, so I'm gonna come back and tell y'all how it tastes. Oh, this is good. I like this. Y'all, only 25 calories? Can't beat that. I'm about to fix my daughter's bottle, honey, and fix her juice for in the morning so that when I make her breakfast in the morning, that's one less thing I gotta do. I already put our clothes out for the night. We're gonna take a bath and I'm gonna call it a night. I am tired. Alright, so y'all, I'm just gonna close the video out right here, and I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe. Y'all, homemade pineapple juice, the best. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to turn your bell notifications on so you know every time that I drop. And comment down below any other ideas you would like to see me vlog. I would love you guys' input. So I'm going to start doing community posts more on YouTube as well. But I'm going to end the video right here, y'all. And I want to thank you guys again for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.